torrential rainfall is continuing in Kerala. Hilly terrains in central and northern Kerala districts reported severe landslides on Friday. Many low-lying regions too have been flooded. A major landslide hit Pettimudi in Idukki's Rajamalai in the wee hours of Friday morning. 15 people have been declared dead and 12 have been rescued. Search is on to find 57 more. In Wayanad district, a major landslide was reported at Mundakai of Mepadi Grama Panchayat. 2 houses were completely destroyed in the havoc. No casualties were reported as people were already shifted from the area. 2 bridges were also washed off in the landslide. Rescue operations are on to shift 21 stranded persons. Rivers in districts like Wayanad, Idukki, Ernakulam and Pathanamthitta are flowing in full speed. In Ernakulam, many major rivers are close to flooding the district. Muvatupura River has crossed the flood warning level. The famous Shiva temple in Alwa is nearly submerged, with water reaching its rooftop. Shutters of 6 dams have been opened as the water rose to red alert level. This includes 4 dams in Idukki, 1 each in Pathanamthitta and Thrissur.